Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. There is new filing information for tax year 2012. The amount of income a taxpayer can receive before they must file a tax return has increased for 2012. This chart shows the requirements for who must file. To use the chart, first figure out the filing status of the taxpayer. Pay attention to special rules for the different statuses. Then, find the age of the taxpayer at the end of 2012. Finally, follow the chart to see if a return needs to be filed. For example, if Judy is a 45-year-old female who is married and filing jointly with her 50-year-old husband, she must file a return if their income for 2012 was at least $19,500. Let's look at a review question. David is a single 40-year-old taxpayer. He must file an income tax return if he makes at least which amount for 2012? A. $7,500, B. $8,500, C. $9,750, or D. $10,500. The correct answer is C. $9,750. According to Table 1.1 in Publication 17, David must file a return if he makes at least $9,750 for 2012 since he is single and less than 65 years of age. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.